All right, so real estate's harder than it's been in a long time, maybe ever. I've been doing this 20 years at a pretty high level, and I can tell you the market we are going into is as hard, maybe even harder, than I've ever seen. Okay? And here's the thing, the last couple years, folks have been crushing it. Massive sales figures, doing numbers and numbers of transactions, just crushing it, no doubt. But here's the thing, the interesting thing about success, all the stuff that the skills and everything you've learned to become successful, success has a way of eroding those exact same skills, right? You get a little soft, a little lazy, you start mailing it in, you start going halfway, not giving 100% because you're crushing it. Fat and happy, we've all heard of that, right? So here's the thing, if you're gonna make it in the coming market, you gotta take it, you gotta get the eye of the tiger, boom, 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 boom. You get that back, man, you gotta get that back, and you gotta start fighting 100% every day, not 50%, not kind of, not once in a while, 100% every time on your schedule. All right, 100% every time on pre-qualifying your appointments, 100% on being prepared, 100% on virtually everything, every day, all the time. You gotta get your edge back. You gotta go get that chip and put it right back on your shoulder and fight for this stuff, okay? If you're gonna make it in this coming market, you gotta get back and get that eye of the tiger and the edge. You got this, here we go, let's get it.